Tesla is once the most listed firm in the U.S. stock exchange by an average daily volume of Wall Street's most valued and despised stocks. But trading has exploded in recent days, along with the stock price of Tesla. The business sense of Elon Musk has made the Tesla stock reach the skies several times. Here are 3 times Elon Musk shook the stock market. Number 3. The year 2020. Billionaire founder Elon Musk is getting close to winning the first $346 million in stock awards in a huge, performance-based pay deal, with Tesla stock rallying to new heights in recent months, and the firm about to reach $100 billion in market valuation, Reuters announced on Tuesday. This week, Tesla is among these stocks making the biggest gains, leading the Nasdaq higher as it soared by almost 10% and surged for the first time on Monday beyond the $500 per share threshold. The stock continued to rise on Tuesday, up by nearly 2% at the time of writing. If it gains several more percentage points, that would put Tesla's stock market value at $100 billion. According to Reuters, if that valuation is held over both the average duration of 1 month and 6 months, it will trigger vesting for the first tranche of options issued to Musk, enabling it, according to Reuters, to acquire additional Tesla stocks. Around 34 million Tesla shares, or 19% of the company, are currently held by Musk. According to Reuters, Musk will buy another 20.3 million shares under his incentive package if all of his options are vested. Tesla stock has been on a tear, more than doubling in value over the last 3 months. It's now risen by nearly 25% within the first 2 weeks of 2020 alone. Last week, Tesla's stock market value hit $89 billion for the first time, which is worth more than both General Motors and Ford combined. Thanks to better than expected third quarter results, solid car sales in the fourth quarter, and a promising new factory in China, Tesla shares have soared. If Musk gets a full payout, that would surpass any compensation ever granted to a U.S. executive, according to Reuters. Number 2. The year 2018. Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, is no stranger to talking down Tesla's stocks, but he appeared to do everything in his power in 2018 to both take it south and propel it into space. On Twitter, he acted badly. Stock slid. He launched a go private scheme on Twitter again, asking for a stock price of $420 per share. Tesla's shares, already unpredictable, reached a new realm of lurching unpredictably in 2018. And now that we have come to the end of the year, we'll sum up with the harm and discover that Tesla was the strongest investment in the auto industry in 2018, among the stocks that I'm monitoring at Business Insider. Yes, it could all go completely to hell in the next few weeks, but for now, Tesla shares are above $370, up 16% year to date. General Motors, Ford, Fiat Chrysler Automobiles, and Ferrari are all in the red, with Ford down over 30%. Shares have risen by 1,300% since 2010 when Tesla staged an IPO, but early buyers have undoubtedly been compensated extensively. But if you should have held the course in 2018 somehow, you would have been beaten the S&P 500 index by almost 20% by what is the nuttiest, most harrowing story I've ever seen in the auto industry since the near simultaneous bankruptcies of GM and Chrysler in 2009. Tesla and Musk were a hot mess for the entire year, but in the end, the company has built a solid thousands of more vehicles than it did in 2017. That translated into a nearly $7 billion sloshing in for a record. Keep that up, control your costs, and Tesla neatly reverses from almost a decade of losses to a future of gains. Plus, the product is loved by people. They enjoy it so much that, as a production company, they're able to put up with the increasing pains of Tesla. They might not last forever, but at the moment, Tesla is your only real option if you want to invest in a pure electric car game. Number 1. The year of 2013. Patrick Hopp poured his life savings of $30,000 into Tesla Motors, TSLA, stock in June of last year, then traded at around $32 per share. He dumped all his shares and traded in options on Tesla stock, which are high-risk bets on the potential success of the stock when the stock reached $115 this July. Now Hopp, a 22-year-old senior from Millbrae, studying applied math at UC Berkeley, estimates he's made about $250,000, $250,000, at least on paper. I have a high risk tolerance, but I don't think the stock is that risky, he said, owing to a series of milestones from a rave score in customer surveys to better than expected deliveries of the all-electric Model S sedan, and this week, 5-star safety scores in federal crash checks. The company's stock has skyrocketed almost 300% this year. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. And with that, I'll see you in the next video.